Okay, so the next portion we're going to be talking about today is SOH-CAH-TOA. Okay, so they're all written here, and you're just going to have to remember this, and that's why you want to do SOH-CAH-TOA, because it's opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, and opposite over adjacent. And I have been doing this for many years, and I still have to write this down. I have to always say, okay, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent and hypotenuse, and this is opposite and adjacent. And let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, we're talking about angle A here, okay? And cosine would be CA. So, and we're doing A, so adjacent means it's the line next to the angle we're looking at. And it would be hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always the longest one. So H is always the longest. The O is always the opposite angle from what you're looking at, or opposite line from the angle. Opposite line from angle. Angle. And then the adjacent is always next door. Okay. So on this one, it's saying that the CA, we're doing adjacent over hypotenuse, 5 over 13. Nope, that doesn't work. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so it'd be 12 over 13. Oh, that one works right there. Okay, tangent, let's go through all of these. Tangent of A would be opposite over adjacent, so 12 over 5. That one doesn't work. Cosine of A is adjacent over hypotenuse, 5 over 13. Nope, that doesn't work. And sine of 13 over 12. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so 12 over 13. No, so it has to be that one, but I just wanted to go through the same thing so you got the hang of how we do it. Okay, so now the next question is, what is the value of tangent A? Okay, so we're looking at this one. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So it'd be the opposite, 15, over adjacent, which is 8, right? So it'd be 15 over 8. J would be our answer. Okay, and here's another proportional one, like we did on the geometry worksheet. So we got sine of C. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's 2 over 3 is opposite of C. Opposite is 2 over hypotenuse of 3. Okay, so how do we get from, and then what is the length of inches from A to C, which is the hypotenuse? So we're looking for hypotenuse equals question mark here. Okay, so how do we get from 2 to 6? If we have to times by 3, so it's 2 times 3 equals 6. So what we do here, we have to do here. So we have to do the 3 times 3 would be the 9. So the question mark is the 9. So we're going to go right there. And that's our answer on that one. Okay, now we're going to talk about matrices. I've done a lot of years of math, and I did not learn this until I went through a training for the ACT. Okay, and this is a very easy one. Very easy concept to learn. And as soon as you see those brackets, you know it's a matrix. And what you have to do is just follow what you have to do. Now, if you have brackets and you have a number outside those brackets, you know you're going to have to multiply. So in this case, it's going to be 4 times negative 1, which would be negative 4. And 4 times 2 would be 8. 4 times 0 would be 0. And 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. And that would be your answer. So we just got to, we know that this is nonsense. This is nonsense. That one doesn't fit. Negative 1/4, that doesn't fit. It would have to be that answer right there. Okay, so why don't you try this one on your own? You can shut this off now and try it on your own, or you can go ahead and do it with me. So it'd be 9 plus minus 6, and that would be 3. 8 plus 6 is 4. Okay. So we've got minus 4 plus 5 would be positive 1, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So this would be our answer. 3, 14, 1, and 11. Okay, that looks like that's the answer. 3, 14, 9, and 11. Nope, can't be. 15, nope, can't be. 17, nope, can't be. And 14 can't be. So that's how you do matrices. Now these might even be in higher numbers. Just look for those brackets and that'll tell you it is a matrix question. And as soon as you see sine or tangent, you know this is a SOH-CAH-TOA question. Those are two ways to very quickly identify those kind of questions and go after those questions to answer because they'll be easy points for you.